Hi, my name is Bob Gallagher. I'm the mayor of the city of Bettendorf, Iowa. Today is Friday, November 27th, 2020. We trust that you and your family enjoyed a nice Thanksgiving yesterday, even though it may have been different than it has been in years past. And hopefully this weekend you'll have an opportunity to reflect and be thankful for the things that we do have, instead of worrying about the things the pandemic has brought to all of us. We will continue to work together through this pandemic as QC Strong. Today, we're here at Palmer Hills Golf Course. We're in the clubhouse right next to the Palmer Grill. We're here to talk about a new campaign throughout the Quad Cities to help local businesses called Keep It QC. And for that, we welcome Michelle from Palmer Grill. Thank you for joining us, Michelle.
Hi, Bob. Thanks for stopping by. Great idea coming from the Chamber of Commerce through the Quad Cities. They have these new gift cards that you can purchase online. Great 180 different sponsors coming through that you can use, spas, restaurants, all kinds of things that all offer different opportunities to take advantage of the gift card if you spend it with them. Here at Palmer Grill, when you come and use your card, we give you $2 off of each entree. So everybody's different, but it's a great idea. This Saturday, they have the small business. If you go online to the communitygiftcard.com, keep it QC, you can spend $100 and get 25 virtual reward. These can be purchased online. Take advantage, look, check out everything that's on here. Great start to get some presents for everybody to use.
Fantastic. So here at the Palmer Grill and Clubhouse, you also have some specials that are going on. Tell us about that.
So right now we have the season pass that's going to run Friday. You get 10% if you come and purchase that today. They'll be open from about 8 o'clock in the morning till 6 at night. So stop by, grab your season pass, grab that virtual card, spend it here, either on the grill side, grab a bite to eat, or come over here and spend and get some golf ready for next season.
Super. Great gift ideas, as we have, through this pandemic, seen a huge uptick in the use of the golf course. So get your season pass today and pick up your Keep It QC gift card through the Quad City Chamber of Commerce. Can you give us an idea of some of the other businesses in Bettendorf that you're aware of using the gift card?
Well, I know we have Hungry Hobo, the Family Museum here in the Quad Cities. You can spend it towards those kinds of places. Wallace Garden, also Cheesy Cow, a few of the other places out there.
So thank you to the Bettendorf businesses who have gotten on board with Keep It QC. And until we meet again, please stay 6 feet apart and symptom-free.